I'm going to watch TV.
Coming up next on Nickelodeon, Dora the Explorer.
No. We'll watch that. I wonder what I should do.
Time for lunch.
Time to activate it. Yeah. Now, I better get out of here.
Dora the Explorer.
Attention! Attention! Bombers have been reported in PBS Kids City area. You are advised to go to the basement or lowest level of your home and lock all windows and doors. This is not a test. Once again, this emergency alert system is for PBS Kids City.
Mom, please come here.
Don't worry, Dot. We heard it. We just need to stay here and listen to the TV.
Attention! Attention! The emergency alert system that you just heard was fake. Someone snuck in and activated it. Once again, the emergency alert system that you just heard was fake. Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Yay. It was fake.
I don't know. I might be him.
Hey, Doc, get off my couch.
But?
Now.
Dash. Don't be mean to your sister. Now let's watch TV.
Attention! Attention! The maniac who scared the entire city has just been identified. Here is his picture.
Hey. Why does he look like you?
Well, you can't prove if it was me.
Oh, by the way, his name is Dash.
Shut up.
Oh 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 oh. I had a suspicion.
Well, at least they only said who I was.
Oh, and Dash's parents will need to pay a $6,000 fine for this.
You were super grounded for 19402253023809 years. Go to your room now and you will pay the fine.
No.